I'm about to show you something that most people on the internet won't do.
Here we go.
My actual pay stub. Not a screenshot from Google, not a salary estimate from some website, my real check. The one that hit my bank just last week. $1,816 gross for just 1 week. No college degree, no student loans, no corner office, just blue-collar skilled trades in action. Over 52 weeks, we're talking $94,000 in change in gross pay, and that's a light overtime year. Guys in my position who pick up a few extra hours of OT constantly, they're clearing $100,000 easy. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I got here, why the college myth is crumbling faster than ever, and the real path blue-collar workers are using to hit six figures without a degree, without debt, and without asking anybody's permission. Because 47% of skilled trade workers now earn more than the median college graduate salary, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics data. Let's break down the pay stub. So here's my check, straight time, 39 hours, $1,521.20. That's my base rate for a standard work week. Most people stop right there. They think that's the whole story. It's not even close. Overtime premium, 4.76 hours, $185.67. That's less than 5 hours of overtime. But here's what nobody talks about. That premium above my base rate, under the new tax law, that's now deductible. Congress passed the Big Beautiful Bill Act in 2025, allowing up to $12,500 in overtime deductions. I did a whole video on that. It's on my homepage, and it saved me over $2,000 this year. My overtime isn't just extra money, it's tax-advantaged extra money now. But here's where it gets even better. Shift premium, $78.01. Money I get for working a specific shift. Second shift, third shift, weekends, holidays. College doesn't teach you that exists, but it's real money every single week. Short week pay, $31.20. A contractual benefit from my collective bargaining agreement. Even on a short week, I'm protected. That's the union, and that's collective bargaining. Total gross, $1,816.08 for 1 week. This is a normal week. 39 hours of straight time and less than 5 hours of overtime. There are people right now sitting in a cubicle with a 4-year degree and $80,000 in debt and student loans making $52,000 a year. Meanwhile, I'm making almost double that with zero debt and 0 degrees in my wall. I'm not special, I'm not a genius, I position myself in the right lane, that's all. That's the whole thing. The pay stub doesn't lie. $1,816 a week, no degree, no debt, blue collar, but here's the thing that should really make you think. My paycheck isn't even unusual anymore. The gap between college earners and blue collar earners isn't just closing, in some cases it's already flipped. Here's proof the college myth is crumbling. For 33 years, everybody told me the same story. Go to college, get a degree, that's the only path to a good career. Well, something has changed. The average college graduate starts out at about $68,000 a year, but that's an average, medium wage. Marketing grads start around $48,000. Communication grads, $45,000. Business administration, $52,000 a year. Meanwhile, $36,000 in average student loan debt. And the class of 2025 and 2026, only 30% found full-time work in their field. Now here's where most people go wrong. They compare the best college outcomes to the average blue-collar outcomes. Compare apples to apples. A blue-collar apprentice starts at 18, gets paid to learn through vocational education. No tuition, no debt, and by 22, the apprentice earns journeyman certification, making $60,000 to $80,000 with 0 debt and possibly a pension building. And now, 47% of skilled workers now earn more than the median college graduate. 40% of college grads are working in jobs that don't even require a degree. Student loan debt is simply killing them. And applications to construction and skilled trades from 18 to 24 years old, up 17%. The kids are figuring it out. The question is, have you? The college myth isn't dying, it's already dead for a lot of people. The numbers killed it. And my pay stub is just one piece of proof. Whether you're in college wondering if you made the right call, or sitting in a job that isn't going anywhere, or maybe trying to figure out your first move, you need to start building real skills now. That's why I work with Course Careers. High-paying careers in HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project management, estimating, architectural drafting, tech sales, IT, and digital marketing. No degree, no debt. They've got an AI career counselor called Cora, and she helps you find your best fit. There's a free intro course on every single program, so you can try it before you spend a dime. My link saves you $50 off. It's in the description. Go check it out. Okay, you've seen the pay stub, you've seen the data, now here's the actual path. Step 1, pick the right trade. Look at where the demand is, where the money is going, and where the labor shortage is worst. HVAC, electrical, plumbing, welding, and anything touching data centers or semiconductor plants. Elevator installers are making $99,000 median salary. And wind turbine technicians are the fastest growing trade according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics projections. Here's what no one tells you though. Not all trades pay the same. An HVAC tech in a residential, it's good money. An HVAC tech specializing in data center cooling, completely different tax bracket. That trade gets you in. The specialty, that's what gets you paid. Step 2, master the fundamentals. Technical mastery, blueprint literacy, math and estimation, communication, documentation. These 5 things separate the $50,000 journeyman from the $100,000 project manager from the $300,000 business owner. Step 3, stack skills. Don't just be a good electrician, be the electrician who also understands project management. The guy who stacks skills to become a foreman, project manager, or business owner. That's where the real money lives. Step 4, understand your compensation. Look at my stub again. Straight time, overtime premium, shift premium, short week pay, 4 separate income streams on one check. Most guys only think about the first one. They leave thousands on the table every year because nobody taught them how their own paycheck works. Step 5, think like an owner. Even while you're an employee, every business owner I know in the trade started by thinking bigger than their job title. When the time came to make the jump, it wasn't a jump. It was just a step in the right direction on making some serious cash. Hey guys, it's JV. Let me pause the video real quick. If you want a fast way into real careers that pay, check out Course Careers. They train people for in-demand jobs in tech, business, and all sorts of construction trades without wasting years in college. They're rated almost 5 stars with thousands of real reviews you can check out. You earn a certificate of completion and they help you prepare for real job placement. And if you use my link, you get $50 off instantly. So if you're serious about changing your income path, the link is below. The labor shortage is the worst it's been in America's history. Construction spending is booming at trillions of dollars driven by the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act. Associated Builders and Contractors reports contractors need 499,000 additional workers by 2026. Anyone who follows these 5 steps isn't walking into a job market, they're walking into a gold rush. And my pay stub is proof that gold is real. But what about your body, you might ask? Every video I post about blue collar pay, somebody says, yeah, but you're going to destroy your body. I'm not going to pretend that's not a real concern. It is. 30 years in the industry, I know what it does to your knees and back at times. But here's what that argument misses. The path we just talked about doesn't leave you swinging a hammer at 60. Foreman by 30, project manager by 35, business owner by 40. My job right now as a UAW inspector, I'm not crawling under houses, I'm inspecting and I'm managing. 30 years of knowledge from a position that doesn't wreck my body. That's the progression. The college grad at 40 still paying off student loans and getting laid off because AI replaced their department, they're looking at blue collar as the backup plan. The blue collar worker at 40 who follow the 5 steps owns a business, 0 debt, and decides when they work. You see, blue collar isn't a life sentence on physical labor, it's a launch pad, and the pay stub proves the rocket works. If this video just shattered something you were told your whole life, hit that like button for me, guys. Well, not for me, for every kid sitting in a guidance counselor's office being told that blue collar is a dead end. Help them find this video. Here's what you know now. A real blue collar paycheck, $1,816 a week, $94,000 plus a year with no degree, no debt, 47% of trades workers out earning college grads. And the college grads, tons of debt from student loans and possibly looking being laid off by AI sometime soon. The college myth is dead. My pay stub is the proof and the path is open to anyone willing to walk in it. But seeing the proof isn't enough if you don't know which career to go after. Not all trades pay the same. The difference between the right trade and the wrong one could be $50,000 a year. If you want to see which high-paying blue-collar careers are paying the most right now, I've got 2 additional videos at the end of this one. Check them out, you're going to love them. And subscribe if you're not already. Every week, real careers, real money, and real information that affects your paycheck. And drop a comment. What do you make? What's your trade? Show me your pay stub if you've got the guts. Let's build the biggest collection of real blue-collar paychecks the internet has ever seen. I'm JV Charles. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.